very warm welcome to Sprint Text Term 2. This is Shweta Roy, your English Master Teacher at Vedantu. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we are going to talk about the hack driver and discursive passage. From your reading comprehension, you have two types of passages. One is discursive and the other one is factual. So factual passage we have already done in the previous session. So today we will be talking about discursive passage. Sorry, factual passage is still to be done. So we'll begin with discursive passage, and we'll be in the upcoming session we will be covering the other type of passage as well. Okay, so discursive passage is one such area where often the students get confused, and especially this time you're going to have subjective. So all your questions from passage from your reading comprehension section is going to test on the skill of your expression, on the framing of your answers, which should be to the point, brief and original as far as possible. So please do not try to just copy paste. Try to mold your answers according to the question and use your own words when you are writing your answers. Right, so with that, let's get started with 1 mark question, 2 mark question and 4 mark questions from the story, the hack driver, as well as discursive passage. So before we begin, do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to share the video amongst your friends. And we'll begin with a very positive quote. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So guys, brace your preparations up. Do not leave your preparations till the last moment. Already this is the last moment. Okay, so by now, if you want to come out with flying colors, you definitely need to start from today. Okay, I hope you all have started, and I'll skip the schedule part because by now you are familiar with your schedule, so please do not miss out on any of the sessions. So we'll begin directly with discursive passage. Let us read the passage together. Please read the passage along with me. It will also enhance your reading skills, along with, of course, answering the questions, right? So let's get started. Please read it along with me. It is rare to find someone with a good technical and communication skills. You can get far ahead of your colleagues if you combine the two early in your career. What are the two things that you need to combine? Technical as well as communication skills, right? People will judge, evaluate, promote or block you based on your communication skills. Since habits form by repeating both good and bad forms of communication, learn to observe great communicators and adopt their styles and traits in written and verbal forms. The art of listening and learning from each and every interaction. Listening plays a very important role. The more you listen, the more you become an effective communicator. So that is another great, another secret recipe. Develop the subconscious habit of listening to yourself as you speak and know when to pause. So these are some tips which will also help you in becoming good communicator. So I specially selected this passage so that you can learn from this passage and inculcate in your lives as well, right? Learning what not to say is probably more important than learning what to say. Very important point that you all should remember, because we often end up saying what we should not say, right? And this is where we create a mess. So let's learn that habit as early as possible. As your career develops, you will realize that the wise speak less, which we often miss out. We tend to speak so much, we don't observe people. We speak more, we listen less, but that should not be the case. We should listen more. Okay, speak when you have value to add, else refrain. Very important. Your speech should be only when it is adding some value. Otherwise, you will whatever you speak, it's not going to be appealing and you will sound nonsense. So better to speak when you make sense rather than speaking nonsense, right? Poorly constructed emails with grammatical errors are acceptable between friends, but they should be seriously avoided while communicating formally with your seniors. Very important, and that is exactly why we have emails, letters in our syllabus. because that is something which you will need in your future, right? Avoid communication. So that is a form of communication. That is also a mode of communication, right? Written communication, of course. Avoid any communication in an emotional state when you might say things you will regret later. This happens in our lives, in our daily lives. When we have fights, when we have quarrels, in anger we burst out and we say things which we when we recollect those things, when we introspect and retrospect, we often when we reflect on those, we often regret, right? So it's better not to speak when you are angry. One unnecessary word uttered at the wrong time or place can ruin a relationship. Yes, very, very important. Career or even your life. It can ruin a relationship, career, or life. Okay, such is the power of words. So words are very powerful and they should be measured while you speak. Very, very important. If such a thing happens, you should immediately apologize, else it will haunt you for your life. Another problem to overcome is speaking too fast. I have seen lots of people speaking at a very fast pace. Since our minds are working faster than our speech, we are inclined to speak fast. So what happens is when our minds work faster than our speech, so that is why we tend to sometimes speak faster than it is actually needed. This does not necessarily mean that the person hearing it will get it faster. When you are speaking faster to to whoever you want to, it does not mean that your pace is fast, which your pace can be fast, but you have to understand its impact on the listener. The listener is not hearing it at that pace. Okay, it will be the reverse. The listener will be hearing it at a lower pace. Okay, so slow down, think before you speak. When I get ready to speak to people, Abraham Lincoln said, I spend 2/3 of the time thinking what they want to hear, very, very important point, and 1/3 thinking what I want to say. A very important point to be noted if you want to become a good communicator. Think about what the listener wants to hear from you and not what you want to say. Think more about what the listener wants to hear from you. Okay, adding humor and wit is also essential. Yes, if you want to be a good public speaker, this is also one point that you should keep in mind, but realize that all jokes are not funny. There is a line which you should not cross, and observe certain boundaries. So boundaries should be kept in mind always. Never say anything that could be offensive. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the passage and also inculcated the values that was there in the passage, and this is a very good passage. It will help you in improving your communication skills as well. So you are hitting two stones at one go, right? So how does that sound? So the first question that we have is, why is it necessary to have good communication skills? Let us hunt for the answer. Okay, good communication skills. See, it is rare to find someone with a good communication and technical skills. Okay, you can get far ahead of your colleagues if you combine the two early. That means it helps you in this competitive world. People will judge, evaluate, promote, or block you. So you get evaluated, you get judged, you get promoted. So it helps you in your career, right? Since habits form by repeating both good and bad forms of communication, learn to observe great communicators. Okay, so basically here is where you will find your answer. You have to write it in your own words. Okay, so based on our communication skills, people would judge us, evaluate us, promote us. This is basically repetition of the same words, but I would suggest that you add originality to your answer, frame your answer in your own words. Okay, so you can just say it helps us in our career. Okay, so from career point of view. Okay, and apart from jobs, right? And what else? Sorry, just a second. Yes, so in this competitive world, good communication skill is an asset. So competitive, in this competitive world, you know, communication skills are important. Sorry. Importance of communication skills, that is something which you can add. And then this part you can just frame in your own words. Basically your answer lies here. You need to frame that in your own word. Okay, own words. You can please give your inputs in the chat. All right.
बच्चों के मार्क्स जितने कम आते हैं, पापा का वॉल्यूम उतना ही बढ़ जाता है।
ये होती है पढ़ाई।
पर कभी सोचा है कि मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ बच्चों की ही क्यों?
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।
Next question, why should you be careful when you tend to be humorous? We have seen already, I have already explained you that you should not be offensive. All jokes are not funny. So some jokes might, might hurt the sentiments. Okay, so it could be offensive and it could hurt the sentiments. So we need to take care of the boundaries or the limits should not be crossed. Otherwise what will happen? You would end up hurting the sentiments of the people. So of course that is not something which is positive. Next question, what subconscious habit should you develop? So of course when you the subconscious habit of listening to yourself as you speak. So definitely whenever we speak, we should listen to ourselves first and then speak, and also taking pauses, taking breaks in between. These are the 2 points basically which you have to mention. You can just mold it in your own words. Next question, next set of questions that would come up from the chapter, from your literature section, that is the hack driver. Be ready for the 2-mark question, and here you have the first question, an important question. Why does the hack driver offer to ask about Oliver Lutkins? Very simple. Of course, the hack driver, you know, appearances are appearances are deceptive, right? So the hack driver was the actual he appeared to be very friendly, but the reality was he was trying to fool the narrator. So yeah, the hack driver was none other than Oliver Lutkins himself. He did not wish to take the summons and go as a witness. So that was the entire motive of the narrator to come to the village, so that he could serve summons to Oliver Lutkins. But of course Oliver Lutkins did not want so. Therefore he pretended to be the hack driver. He offered to help the narrator so that the lawyer could not come to know. So he basically was trying to mislead the lawyer, right? Mislead the narrator. Okay, so that he is not able to find him at all. I hope you guys are enjoying till here. If you do, then do not forget to visit the link which is right there in the description box and pin comment. And these are the 3 types of plans that we have: Light, Classic and Plus. Please apply the coupon code SWREPRO1 so that you get your amazing discount and you do not miss out on your discount. Let's come to the 4-mark questions from the chapter Hack Driver. The first question that we have is, this is the only question that we have, which is for 4 marks for this session. Do you think Lutkins was right in befooling the lawyer and earning money by using unfair means? What precaution should one take to avoid a situation? Okay, so this is basically a value-based question which is applied in your lives as well, because I am sure all of you go for trips. All of you love to tour. Okay, take tour. So as tourists, of course, we need to be extra careful when we go when we go to explore a new place. So what are the precautions that we should take so that we do not come to the same situation as the lawyer? So Lutkins was not right in befooling the lawyers, and we will find a lot of people like Lutkins in our day-to-day life. I'm sure you must have also met, some of you have also met people like Lutkins who tried to befool you, right? So just in order to earn money. So this shows that Lutkins did not care for law at all. If we are in the lawyer's place, we should not believe in things as they are seen. And here you can just add the point that appearances are deceptive. Okay, you can just add it here. We should judge every action. It's very important to judge every action rather than, so words, we do not go for words, go for the actions taken by the other person before accepting it. Always question, do not blindly trust. Instead of depending on others, we should carry out our inquiries ourselves. That is the greatest mistake that the lawyer committed. He took a passive role and the active role was given to Oliver Lutkins. That was wrong. The lawyer was before because he let Lutkins do the finding and questioning and he did not do anything by himself. This resulted in his failure to serve summons on Lutkins. So with that, we have come to the end of today's session. I hope you did enjoy today's session. We had some very important questions from Hack Driver. So please practice these questions along with the other questions that we have discussed in our regular sessions where we analyze the entire chapter. Please frame your answers. If you've not yet started, please practice doing so. And here we go with the homework question. Describe Bill as seen through the eyes of the narrator. Okay, very important question. Please note the question properly, as seen through the eyes of the narrator. That is how you have to describe Bill, from the narrator's perspective, not from your perspective. Mind the question and do not forget to please give your answers in the comment section. Okay, I would love to read all your answers and I do read all your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. Take care. We'll see you again in the next session, which is on Boolean factual passage. This time we did discursive passage. Next will be factual. So keep practicing reading comprehension at the same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.
एग्जाम से पहले घर वाले शुरू हो जाते हैं।
बादाम दूध पी लो बेटा, मार्क्स के लिए ना टिप्स हर कोई देता है।
इसलिए वेदांतो इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस।
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।